Pelvic floor dysfunction and steel toe ankle boots is the subject of this video, so stay tuned. Hey, this is Dr. Shakib from Core Pelvic Floor Therapy right here in Irvine, Orange County. This is an odd subject for you to get exposed to, and yet it's so important to realize that the stability of your pelvis is so important in the health of your pelvic floor and your pelvic floor walls, the whole pelvis in general. When you are wearing clothes, or in this case shoes, that limit your mobility, the ankle mobility as an example, that translates into restriction in movement in the hip joints. And the hips are ball and socket joint. The socket is your pelvis. So when you have instability, restriction, and hyper or hypomobility in a joint, you're talking about the overall stability of your pelvis. You're talking about your hips connected to the pelvis, spine connected to the pelvis, and it's very easy when you have restriction around your ankles with ankle restriction in movement as a result of your shoes. You end up interfering with the free moving, unrestricted yet stable mobility of your pelvis. This can translate into chronic lower back issues, chronic sacroiliac joint, which is a joint in the pelvis area, and down the road, problems that most often at that point people associate with pelvic floor issues, like pain in the penis. They can have issues with urination, defecation, constipation, and things like that. So it's very important to understand your posture, any restrictions in your joints, and overall movement plays a huge role in the health of your pelvis and pelvic floor dysfunction. If you have any questions about your pelvic floor dysfunction, or if you wish to be assessed to see if what you're experiencing is related to pelvic floor dysfunction, don't hesitate to contact me using one of the methods of contact in the description box. Until next time, take care.